अब वो अंजुम रहबर का एक शेर है कि दिल की किस्मत तू बदल न पाएगा, बंधनों से तू निकल न पाएगा, तुझको दुनिया के साथ चलना है, मेरे साथ तू चल न पाएगा।
क्या बात है, दिल छू लिया लाइन, क्या बात है, दैट इज व्हाट इट इज।
इट्स लाइफ ऐसी ही चलती रहती है। बट या अर्जुन मोहित्रो के लिए अगर मैंने कुछ अपनी तरफ से ले आया हूँ तो एक है दिल, जो नीरज के साथ जुड़ा हुआ था, और बाकी है हेड एंड शोल्डर जो मैंने प्रोवाइड किया था। बाकी डायरेक्टर्स ने मुझे जिस तरीके से गाइड किया, मेकर्स ने जैसे गाइड किया, आई जस्ट फॉलोड दैट।
आई डोंट थिंक यू हैव अ चॉइस ना। I feel because I think आप गलती तो करेंगे ही. There's no person in this world who's not made a mistake, right? And it's what you do after that that matters. Acceptance and मतलब वो humility जो होती है. Anyway, life humbles you over and over again. Right. So you do have to give in at some point and understand where you're going wrong. But मुझे लगता है कि वो ही सबसे खूबसूरत चीज़ है.
Amar Pratham Chub, you know that. Yeah. First film ka, you know, like with Akanksha and Chitrangada also, I want to share my first movie. I started getting the acceptance. People realize that, okay, this guy is accepted from my action sequences. It's a love story. It's a romantic story. Shatite jokhon prothom action sequences gulo hoy, when people started clapping, we started getting the pulse that now this guy has been accepted. Okay, he got this acceptance from people. मैं ये कहता रहता हूँ कि कोई भी कैरेक्टर को अगर आप अप्रोच करते हो तो पिछला जो भी आपने काम किया है उसको भूल जाओ ना। आप एक एम्प्टी स्लेट लेकर जाओ और लेट द क्रिएटर्स, लेट द मेकर्स, लेट देम ड्रॉ स्केच व्हाट दे हैव seen while inception, while they were writing it, while the seed was being there infused since then. तो काम इजी हो जाता है। तब वो आप अगर अपने आप के सर पे नहीं लेते हैं ना वो बैगेज की आपके अंदर ये है, आपके अंदर वो है, आप सिर्फ एक कैरेक्टर बनने के लिए चले जाइए तो देखिए किरदार बनने के लिए चले, सब आसान हो जाता है।
मुझे ऐसा नहीं लगता कि पहले कुछ नहीं लिखा गया था या ऐसी फिल्में ही नहीं बनी थी या women were not given strong. I think very strong parts were written for them.
Rekha was there.
I mean, Rekha, yeah, like, I mean, look at their work, the kind of work. So a lot of times we tend to take too much credit. Oh, हम अब बहुत amazing काम लिख रहे हैं. मुझे लगता है पहले बहुत ही genuinely progressive characters लिखे गए थे for women, you know, for that time. If you look at, like, we're talking 40-50 years back, you know. So as compared to that, I don't know if we've progressed that much, but yes, जो बीच में एक थोड़ा सा lull आया था, you know, where we were not being able to write characters. There's definitely been a big change.
Oh my God, one
Still
word.
less, yeah.
Because that's the crux of the emotion.
You can say it in 2-3 words also. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, आराम से आप बोलो।
Tala knows the game of promotion.
एक लाइन 4 लाइन भी बोल सकते हैं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं।
Hi, this is Akanksha Singh.
Hi, this is Jeet.
And this is Chitrangada.
और आप हमें देख रहे
हैं शुभजीत के
YouTube channel पर।
YouTube channel पर।
Like, share and subscribe right now because you have already subscribed to Netflix for every content, and please do stay subscribed. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so 20th March was the day, ladies and gentlemen. Netflix पे आया है खाकी द बंगाल चैप्टर। वो जो गाना था सुर में, वहाँ पे बोला जा रहा था एक और रंग भी देखिए बंगाल का। Especially for me, who has seen almost every rung of Bengal since I was born and brought up over there, literally lived my childhood over there, been very inclined towards this project. I've binged it whole night and वो पूरा रात देख के, it's magic happening over here because I have the wonderful cast with me over here. Can I have some loud appreciation and clapping for the cast over here for the wonderful work that they have done? जितने भी लोग हैं आप लोग बिंदास ताली बजा सकते हो. That is the kind of vibe that we want to create. Organic ताली का sound है because organic vibe है and organic appreciation है, right?
Thank you.
दादा मुझे बताओ सबसे पहले, and you know Bengalis have that Dada connect, right? So I really want to get deep into this thing. Arjun Mohittro, fierce, rock solid, very similar to Jeet in his real life personality as well, right? कितना similar है in terms of मतलब rock solid, that, you know, vivacious personality, defining, you know, success, elegance and everything. That is, those traits are quite similar. बाकी का हटा देते, but those traits are definitely similar. Do you not feel that way?
But I take everything as a compliment. Thank
Absolutely.
you so much. Thank you very much. But no, definitely the rest of the things, if you felt so, I'm humbled. Thank you so much once again. But in real life, no, Arjun Mohittro is not exactly the way I am. Except that everything I accept as I take it as a compliment.
Absolutely compliment ही है because आपने जिस तरीके से निभाया कैरेक्टर को, right from the discipline to the way you have actually gone up, because you were very clear about your mission कि मुझे यहाँ से शहर का जो गंदगी है मुझे साफ करना है. That's the way Arjun has gone about in his business, and very result driven. Like, you know, एक सीन था जहाँ पे there was a conversation about आपके पहले जो ऑफिसर थे, he unfortunately had demise. तो but you were very result oriented and driven कि ये हुआ जो हुआ, let's keep the past behind and let's move forward to the target, right? Do you see that as well? You, because आपके career में भी और in actors as well.
ऐसा होना भी चाहिए, हर इंसान को होना
हाँ,
चाहिए.
because you keep success, you get success, but you got to move on quickly, right, to the next one. Do you follow that same approach
Life
in
is
life?
like that. मैं नहीं फॉलो करूंगा तो मैं कहीं ना कहीं पीछे छूट जाऊंगा. लाइफ ऐसी ही चलती है.
Yeah.
तो आपको अगर भागदौड़ में रहना है, वो कहते हैं ना कि अब वो अंजुम रहबर का एक शेर है कि दिल की किस्मत तू बदल न पाएगा, बंधनों से तू निकल न पाएगा, तुझको दुनिया के साथ चलना है, मेरे साथ तू चल न पाएगा.
क्या बात है, दिल छू लिया लाइन, क्या बात है. That is what it is.
इसलिए लाइफ ऐसी ही चलती रहती है. बट या अर्जुन मोहित्रो के लिए अगर मैंने कुछ अपनी तरफ से ले आया हूँ तो एक है दिल, जो नीरज के साथ जुड़ा हुआ था, और बाकी है हेड एंड शोल्डर जो मैंने प्रोवाइड किया था. बाकी डायरेक्टर्स ने मुझे जिस तरीके से गाइड किया, मेकर्स ने जैसे गाइड किया, आई जस्ट फॉलोड दैट.
And I think the job has been done well. The appreciation that's being followed after that is, I believe, a nice testimony.
But I thought everybody in the show is good. I'm sure you agree to that.
Absolutely. It's a collective effort of everybody put together, right? You know, I want to ask you this thing that right from the beginning, and I don't want to give out spoilers over here, but then right from the beginning till now, how your character pans out, वो last तक समझ नहीं आता कि अच्छा ऐसा होने वाला है. In your case, right? I'm not defining the exact thing. That's very unique and at the same time intriguing as well. Do you kind of find these kind of characters, बोले या फिर the way it pans out at the end, personally very interesting? Because do you relate more with these kind of characters?
I don't know about the whether I relate to it or not, but the thing is that as an actor, I feel very fortunate to play such parts because it's very unique. The way you said that, you know, it was my job to keep that thing intact and
so hook point है पूरे शो का.
Yeah, I mean, and it's interesting to see, you know, there's a lot of things, a lot of emotions going in Aratrika's mind and heart, and you can see it.
Yeah.
So I think I was very fortunate to get this offer and to be part of Khaki and an amazing team. And as we say that, you know, it's a collective effort. Wherever I felt that I'm lacking or maybe I'm not understanding it, Debatma or Tushar sir were always there. So I think, yeah, I feel that audience will also, you know, feel this intriguing factor and, you know, the kind of character they have made. I hope that मैंने वो निभा पाया अच्छे से.
Absolutely touched and
मैं भी कह सकता हूँ, आपने बहुत अच्छा किया.
Yeah, absolutely.
काम करते वक्त मुझे एहसास हो रहा था कि ऐसा wonderful actor she is.
Yeah, absolutely. And I want to come to you. सोशल मीडिया पे एक बात चल रहा है जो मैंने देखा है कि अगर चित्रांगदा जी सच में पॉलिटिक्स में ज्वाइन कर गई तो लेट अलोन एनीथिंग एल्स, हम लोग सिर्फ उनकी खूबसूरती को देख के उनको वोट दे के जिता देंगे. दैट इज व्हाट इट इज. ये सब ट्रेंड मैंने देखा है, आज सुबह मैंने देखा है वो सोशल मीडिया पे ट्रेंड होते हुए, एंड इट्स सो स्वीट बिकॉज नॉट जस्ट योर ब्यूटी, नॉट जस्ट योर लुक्स, द वे द डेप्थ विथ विच यू हैव प्लेड, उसमें भी फ्लॉज है, ग्रे है, इट्स नॉट परफेक्ट बिकॉज नो ह्यूमन बीइंग इज परफेक्ट. And last में I think the acceptance part of it, because इंसान गलती करता है.
भाई वहाँ तक नहीं जाते ना.
हाँ. Let's not go to
वहाँ तक नहीं जाते. बाकी पहले कुछ भी बोलिए.
Last तक नहीं जाते.
Yeah, but I think, you know, acceptance in any way, you know, is quite nice, right? Do you personally feel that कुछ भी अगर इंसान करे, if there's any way that they're going wrong, you feel acceptance and realization, self-realization is the best way to get your life back in progress?
I don't think you have a choice, na. I feel because I think आप गलती तो करेंगे ही. There's no person in this world who's not made a mistake, right? And it's what you do after that that matters. Acceptance and मतलब वो humility जो होती है. Anyway, life humbles you over and over again.
Right.
So you do have to give in at some point and understand where you're going wrong. But मुझे लगता है कि वो ही सबसे खूबसूरत चीज़ है. What do you do? How do you handle life? And I think my character also, whatever that she's going through, ups and downs and everything, and hanging on to that idealism, you know, as much as she can. So I think वो इतना खूबसूरत है, and then there's life, and then there is the world, and there is an adult world that you have to step into, which changes you, you know, corrupts you थोड़ा बहुत. तो बहुत ही खूबसूरत है. I think that is the beauty of the character. And in real life, I mean, it's not far from real life.
Yeah.
We all have to get corrupted. I mean, there's no moral science class, you know,
absolutely.
in the world.
Yeah.
When you come out of school, you realize, oh damn, all these years of moral science class में तो कुछ जो पढ़ाता होता ही नहीं है. So that's life. Yeah.
You know, Dada, I want to ask you this thing. It might be the story of Kolkata. It's that the story is based out of Kolkata, but it's getting that pan-India flavor. Everybody in every part of the country, they can relate because कहानी ही वैसा है. हर जगह पे कोई ना कोई ऐसा सिचुएशन होता है. हर जगह पे ऐसा कोई अर्जुन मित्रो जैसा ब्रेव ऑफिसर रहता है. And हर जगह पे ऐसे सिचुएशन होते हैं, right? I want to know the kind of appreciation that you've been getting from people outside Bengal because Bengal have that direct connect. But उसके बावजूद the people, rest of the other people from the different parts of the country, उनसे क्या appreciation मिला as of now, which is really
all pouring in, all flowing in. Which is like we have about. Let's wait for another 1 week, 2 weeks. I think any series or any show, this kind of a show, it grows. It takes about 1 or 2 weeks to actually build. And then people get to know, entire world gets to know. It's not only about India. So, yeah, and Khaki 1 had established that for us. It has its own like fan followers, viewership also, base also. So, I'm sure Khaki 2, so far, in the like, we have been receiving, the start has been really good. I have touched it later. The start has been good. It's already trending at #1. And we just hope that it continues this way and more love and adulation and appreciations like it.
But you know, I think you mentioned a very interesting point ki Khaki 1 was there, it set things. I think the best part of the whole series is that both are different kahani. ये कोई ऐसा continuation नहीं है.
No.
So do you think that that's the USP of the show that's working because it's a completely different story altogether but a successful franchise? कल को जाके कहीं और का भी खाकी आ सकता है. Bihar has started, Bengal has led the way. It can be something different. Do you think that's the USP factor as well to an extent?
No, I don't think like Bengal में सिर्फ बना है, that's a USP factor. What is your question exactly?
My question is that ki it's not a continuation of the story that was there.
No, in a way it's a good, like it's an independent story, yeah. It's good in a way. But there are some content which has a value of their past, like if it is a sequel also, a lot of people are engaged in that, they like it. But this is independent, it's a different way of making stories, telling content, telling stories.
Yeah. You know, I want to come to you right now that everything right from whatever you've done, all the scenes, etc., made it look very effortless, but I'm sure there's a lot that goes behind the camera, behind the screens in terms of preparation, sleepless nights, rehearsals, workshops, etc. and all. What was the most difficult part of getting into your character? Because easy cheese to धीरे-धीरे with experience हो जाता है and it should ideally be that way. But still there are difficult things that you need to really, you know, conquer as an obstacle, right? वो obstacle क्या था personally for you?
I always, like, you know, in all my interviews, I've said this thing that, you know, when it comes to action or when it comes to cop character, the first thing comes in your mind is like a male figure, you know.
Yeah.
Honestly, I was very surprised that they have approached me with this kind of role. And to get that aura, to get that cop feel, you know, once you wear the uniform, the thing is completely different. Like, you feel it. But at the same time, to maintain that stance, and Auratrika's character is very complex in terms of emotions, like throughout. So to balance everything out, like, you know, she should not look harsh, she should not look too, you know, easy. So it was a balance to find out. And I think to find that balance was very difficult. Difficult in the sense was a challenging factor. And I think that वो करने में थोड़ा मजा भी आया और इंटरेस्टिंग भी.
एक्शन भी खतरनाक किया, लड़कों को बिंदास पिटाया आपने एकदम. मैं देख रहा हूँ वो चीज. That is also there, so I think kudos to that as well, because that's a different part. That's not really the action part of it.
That's a dream come true.
Like,
get some big men and them like sock them.
Punching and kicking, everything going on in full flow, right?
Yeah.
You know, even action, since we are talking about action, it comes so naturally to you as well, because that natural raw swag jo hota hai na, that superstar feel that's there in your personality for so many years. Do you think because of that, because of the fact that you are such an accepted and loved figure, वो naturally आ जाता है in terms of that rawness towards, you know, these kind of bold and dynamic characters, where you just got to be courageous on stage, I mean on screen, and at the same time do your bit in terms of whatever is needed from the director's end?
See, it's been a journey. I am not a trained fighter or trained actor or trained dancer or something like that. It all has been in the process for me, on the job. तो मेरी আমার প্রথম ছবি, you know that, नहीं, first film का, you know, like with Akanksha and Chitrangada also, I want to share my first movie. I started getting the acceptance. People realize that, okay, this guy is accepted from my action sequences. It's a love story. It's a romantic story. সাথীতে যখন প্রথম action sequences গুলো হয়, when people started clapping, we started getting the pulse that now this guy has been accepted. Okay, he got this acceptance from people. So after that, it has been all the technicians, great fight masters who has come on board. They guided me, assistants of fight master. They show us that, okay, this is how you have to do. I think I have been a nice observer. I could observe what they are doing and I could just deliver it. That's it. Rest, everything, it's your love.
But you know, it's a very difficult thing because once you have that kind of aura created, right?
That's your love. That's your love. Thank you so much.
But kabhi it becomes difficult to separate from your character because your real life personality has that aura, but the character that you're playing on screen doesn't necessarily need to have that aura, right? So how do you separate that superstardom away from the character that you're doing, and वो बहुत justice तरीके से दिखता भी है.
Nice, thank you. मैं ये कहता रहता हूँ कि कोई भी कैरेक्टर को अगर आप अप्रोच करते हो तो पिछला जो भी आपने काम किया है उसको भूल जाओ ना. आप एक एम्प्टी स्लेट लेकर जाओ और लेट द क्रिएटर्स, लेट द मेकर्स, लेट देम ड्रॉ स्केच व्हाट दे हैव seen while inception, while they were writing it, while the seed was been there infused since then. तो काम इजी हो जाता है. तब वो आप अगर अपने आप के सर पे नहीं लेते हैं ना वो बैगेज की आपके अंदर ये है, आपके अंदर वो है, आप सिर्फ एक कैरेक्टर बनने के लिए चले जाइए तो देखिए किरदार बनने के लिए चले सब आसान हो जाता है.
Magic happens for you, right?
You have to trust the directors. If they are efficient, they'll take out from you.
Yeah, absolutely. You know, one last question, but prior to that, I just have something to ask you. Is that key of late, the characters that are being written, especially for women, is really, really strong, dynamic, and एक अलग pulse create होता है. It gives that feeling which is not just relatable to women, but also men. And that sensibility जो हो गया है, वो अभी धीरे-धीरे, I think in the last 2-3 years has developed immensely, right? What has it done to someone like you as an artist? Because not only does it help you push boundaries beyond your regular limits, but at the same time come off as something that you have perhaps always wanted to, जो शायद 90s या 2000s में जिस तरीके के characters लिखे जाते थे, compared to now it's so different, right? You know, how do you see this?
I actually kind of disagree with you. I think मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि पहले जब like the kind of work that Smita ji have done, Wahida ji she's done. I mean, a lot of those actresses back then, the kind of characters written, मुझे लगता है कि in between we came to a period जहाँ पे काफी regress हुआ था.
So we went backwards.
I think we went backwards for sure. You see their work and the kind of characters written then. I mean, I would go. I mean, you go Asha Parekh, and you know these people have done some very interesting work. Varis was such an amazing film that Smita ji did, and I think then in between there was a bit of a lull, but still Madhuri's also done some very interesting work. There was Arth and you know Shabana. So I don't think, मुझे ऐसा नहीं लगता कि पहले कुछ नहीं लिखा गया था या ऐसी फिल्में ही नहीं बनी थी या women were not given strong. I think very very strong you know parts were written for them.
Rekha was there.
I mean, Rekha, yeah, like I mean, look at their work, the kind of work. So a lot of times we tend to take too much credit. Oh, हम अब बहुत amazing काम लिख रहे हैं. मुझे लगता है पहले बहुत ही genuinely progressive characters लिखे गए थे for women, you know, for that time. If you look at like, we're talking 40-50 years back, you know. So as compared to that, I don't know if we've progressed that much, but yes, जो बीच में थोड़ा सा lull आया था, you know, where we were not being able to write characters, there's definitely been a big change. And thanks to the OTT platforms, I think उनकी वजह से there's a big voice which was not heard पहले. A lot of new stories are being told, and women from matlab बहुत ही different shades. You know, we are now we don't have a vamp in the film anymore. You know, like we always had one, because now we understand that there is a black and white in everyone. So that is more acceptable to the audiences. Definitely a great time, and it's also thanks to, I suppose, Netflix. And you know, they really spearheaded the whole OTT platform. Yeah, they absolutely did. So it's a great time to be for women and everybody for that matter. Yes.
क्या बात है. Last question आप तीनों के लिए same. One word quickly. What does Khaki the Bengal chapter mean to you? One word. मैं आपको sum up करना है ये चीज, and आप लोग तब तक सोच लीजिए.
Oh my God! One
Too
word.
less, yeah.
Because that's the crux of the emotion.
You can say it in 2-3 words also. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. आराम से आप बोलो.
Tara knows the game of promotion.
एक लाइन 4 लाइन भी बोल सकते हैं. ऐसा कुछ नहीं
I
है.
will talk about our franchise. I think
Yeah, I'm talking about Bengal chapter.
franchise,
Actually,
yeah. Khaki, Kolkata.
Kolkata.
Oh,
Okay,
that's
how
a
sweet.
smart one.
वो अपने आप आ गया emotion.
Oh,
Yeah.
so sweet.
Dada,
Yeah.
for you?
Great energy, great teamwork,
क्या बात है. Great energy, great teamwork, and I think that's why City of Joy brings
and a
that
great
in.
journey for me
Yeah,
so far.
personally.
Yeah.
Touch wood.
3-4 words हो गए
मैंने
ना?
बोला आपको आप दो चार लाइन बोल दीजिए
She
आप।
went, she
Rule check रह गए
went.
आप.
दो चार लाइन 6 लाइन बोल दीजिए आप।
आप वो good student है, rule book में रह जाते हैं. She is that kind of
So
student over here.
sweet.
Very sweet. And from your end?
I think a great political thriller. After a long time, we'll see a political thriller. So I think that's a very unique thing about this.
And वो request भी consider if you
Yeah.
थोड़े time के बाद.
just for the fun part of it, but then kudos
Thank
to all
you.
of you, very
Thank
well done.
Thank you.
And I'm so happy that the kind of story that you all have been a part of is getting that kind of love. And just like Dada said, it's just the beginning. आगे जाके it's only going to pick up. The graph is only
We're
going to
hoping
get
so,
higher.
fingers
Yeah,
crossed.
we really hope.
Please, please,
Yeah.
all of you watch it in Netflix.
Yes.
Only on Netflix. Khaki the
Only.
Bengal chapter.
Khaki the Bengal
Streaming
chapter,
now.
ladies and gentlemen, it's already out on Netflix. 20th March से काफी लोगों ने देखा है. अगर आपने अभी तक नहीं देखा, जरूर देखो. Only and only on Netflix, anytime with anybody that you wish. The story is relatable. आपको मजा आएगा. You'll get a different vibe of Kolkata, just like the song says कि एक और रंग भी देखिए बंगाल का. And I think इनके भी बहुत अच्छे रंग आप लोगों को मिलेंगे. And I think that's what we want. Thank you so much, guys. That's a wrap on the Sunny G Show.
you.
This is your host Shubhajit, and I'll see you all very soon with another interesting episode. Thank you so much. God bless. Take care. Stay safe, and thank you.